Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we drive west on U.S. Highway 72 in Jackson County, Alabama. This portion of US 72 runs along the path of the Lee Highway, part of the U.S. Auto Trail system that existed prior to 1926 when the numbered U.S. highway system was started. This is also part of the Appalachian Development Highway System's Corridor V. Additionally, it's part of the Intermodal Surface Transportation Efficiency Act, Corridor 11. Jackson County, Alabama holds the distinction of being the northeasternmost county in the state. Its name pays tribute to Andrew Jackson, a renowned figure who served as a general in the United States Army before assuming the role of President of the United States. While Jackson County itself adheres to prohibition laws, making it a dry county, 3 cities within its boundaries, namely Bridgeport, Scottsboro, and Stevenson, have adopted a different stance and are considered wet areas, where alcohol sales are permitted. According to the 2020 census, the county boasted a population of 52,579 residents. Notably, this area is home to the Russell Cave National Monument, situated in Doran Cove and approximately 5 miles west of Bridgeport. This significant site is believed to house one of the most comprehensive records of prehistoric culture in the southeastern United States. In recognition of its historical and cultural value, Russell Cave was designated a national monument in May of 1961 thanks to the efforts of President John F. Kennedy. The monument comprises 310 acres of land, generously donated by the National Geographic Society. We entered the town of Woodville, which had a population of 746 as of the 2020 census. Around the year 1815, Woodville found its roots when Henry Derrick took the initiative to settle in the area, making it the oldest town in Jackson County, Alabama. The town itself was named in honor of its early inhabitants, Richard and Annie Wood. In December 1821, Woodville was chosen as the seat of Decatur County, Alabama. However, the following year, when Decatur County was dissolved, Woodville became part of Jackson County, undergoing a significant administrative shift. During the American Civil War, the surrounding region witnessed its share of turmoil, with considerable guerrilla warfare and minor skirmishes taking place. Notably, one such event was the skirmish at Paint Rock Bridge, which unfolded in the vicinity of Woodville, leaving its mark on the town's history. We enter the town of Paint Rock, incorporated in July of 1894. Paint Rock was settled in the 1820s and was initially known as Camden. A post office was established in 1836, and a railroad depot was constructed in 1856. The name was changed in 1876 from Camden to Paint Rock for the nearby Paint Rock River. We enter Madison County, the third most populous county in Alabama, with an estimated population of 395,211 as of 2021. We entered the town of Gurley, named for the Gurley family who settled in the area in 1817. The town's origins can be traced back to its connection with the Memphis and Charleston Railroad, where it initially served as a water and coaling stop, earning the name Gurley's Tank. In 1866, with the establishment of a post office, the town's name underwent a change to Gurleysville. Eventually, the name was shortened to Gurley. In the year 1891, Gurley took a significant step forward as it was officially incorporated, boasting a population of 250 residents. Over time, the town experienced growth, and its population peaked at 1,000 inhabitants. However, in 1923, a devastating fire struck the business district, leaving only 2 businesses spared from the flames, as a bucket brigade valiantly fought to control the inferno. Despite this setback, much of Gurley's historic charm has been preserved, with a substantial portion of the town now falling under the protection of the Gurley Historic District, which gained recognition on the National Register of Historic Places in 2004. As an incorporated town, Gurley proudly maintains its own police and fire departments, as well as a modest sewer system. Additionally, the town hosts its Masonic Lodge, Lions Club, Lioness Club, and Founders Club, contributing to a sense of community and camaraderie among the residents. As of the year 2020, Gurley's population stood at 816, carrying on its legacy as a quaint and historically significant town. We conclude today's video at mile marker 112. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 or more a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.